Smart Art Part 1. Smart Art was presented in 2007 and is a remarkable development to all of Microsoft Office. It can be operated in Microsoft Excel to really allow data to stand out on the screen. This is mainly factual when the Excel data is used in sales documentation, presentations, or other high visibility components. You can work with Smart Art by using it from Insert menu. Here, first I have to choose the type of style that I want. Notice you have lots of variation of modules listed. I can have a listing function, so I'm putting specifics on the screen. If I have a process, step A, step B, step C, you'll see that I have the process. Cycles are there to show how things go around. Hierarchy is there for organizational charts. Here you can find relationships, matrix, pyramids, and even pictures. All of these are different components that I could apply within the spreadsheet itself. Let's do a quick illustration with the list. I'm going to choose a simple list and click OK. Now you see the defaults in. On the top of my screen, I'd like you to note Smart Art Tools appears. There's one tool that is a Design tab, another tool that is a Format tab. Under Design, the first thing I can do is change colors. So if I'd like it to be formalized more with my actual spreadsheet, you'll see it gives me the ability to choose some colors. Let's just choose a colorful accent. Notice how it has color-coded red, green, and also for a purple. Now next to it is Style. The Style allows me now to put some graphical components, some 3D effects right on the screen itself. You'll see that there's quite a diversity of appearances. It's a good idea just to sample them. Firstly, you have to try with variety of styles and then select a nice style for the company. It's always suggested that we come up with a style that everybody agrees to in the company itself. I've chosen a style that is slightly ghosted in the background. That means that if I move it over my spreadsheet, you can see the numbers in the background. I'm going to use this as my top sales result from my chart. There are two ways that I can actually type the data in. I can go right on the graphic itself and type it in, such as January, and I'll go to text for February, and then I'll go for March. If I wish, if I click on the arrows that are on the side of the actual Smart Art, you will notice that I get an outline version. This is a standard Microsoft outline. Here, I can go to January, and if I want to list the firms in order, for instance, I'll just put in Firm 1 as being the winner, and just to show multiple bullets, I'll put in Firm 2, and if I hit Enter, I can actually put in a new bullet with Firm 3. Once I hit the X, it shows me the data in my chart. Now I can go ahead and just close off the Smart Art and make it a little bit smaller. Perhaps I wanted February really to read Feb for the abbreviation of February, and then I wanted to say winner. So I'll put in February winner. When I do, see that it adjusted the size of the actual Smart Art to fill in all the text. I didn't have to do any stretching. I can do that afterwards. Now my highest sales were Firm 1, so I'm going to simply type in Firm 1. I don't need a second bullet. I'll go down to that space and backspace. Now I'll click off. That deselects the clip art. I'll go back to the clip art. I can go to the corner of the square and I can resize it. There are lots we can do with our Smart Art. In the next video, we will continue with it.